productive so far. And yeah, I am here in Jollibee, the most famous fast food franchise here in Philippines. I came to try it out and I'm super excited to try it. And I made some really good friends over here. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
I made some really good friends. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have. I'm super excited. I hope it's really good. Let me show you. So yeah, I am having spaghetti with gravy and cheese, then fried chicken. Then over here is another piece of chicken with another container of gravy. Then there's rice in here. And there's a burger here. This is literally like a mukbang video. There's just a lot of food. And there is a Coke here. So I'm gonna try this. And I hope it's super delicious. Guys, this is a very famous franchise restaurant here in Philippines, and everyone, like literally everyone, is going crazy about it. And I just thought, why not try it, Happy Muncher? So I am here to try it, and yeah, I'll tell you how it tastes. Wow, this is actually good, guys. The spaghetti with the gravy, oh, it's so colorful, very flavorful, and the gravy has like a sausage. It is so nice, guys. I love it, and it has a very like sweet kind of sour taste. It's amazing. It's really nice, guys. Now I'm tasting the chicken. Wow. Wow. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Very crunchy. It's extremely delicious, guys. No lies. Very, very delicious. Wow. The spaghetti won my heart. It is really nice. Ah. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to taste the burger. This is a cheeseburger with bacon. Cheeseburger with bacon. Let's taste it. Wow. Wow. bread is so spongy. The bread is so spongy. The sauce, the mayo sauce they used in here, it is extremely delicious. There's bacon and a beef patty. Everything just blends in together. It is super, super nice. Wow. It's tasty, very delicious, and the food is very, very fresh. Very fresh. So guys, I am done eating Jollibee, and oh my god, it is so delicious. I really enjoyed it. Jollibee is literally in each street, every corner of Manila. Like, you cannot miss it. You cannot. It's impossible. So it is so delicious, guys. You must try it when you're in Manila. You're gonna love it. It's just a fast food franchise like your KFCs and McDonald's. So I finished one plate and I decided to take one home because the food is a lot for me. But I will have the other plate for dinner tonight, and I'm going to enjoy it as much as I enjoyed the other one. I really enjoyed my time here in Jollibee, and I hope when you're in Manila you come with your friends and family and enjoy it too, because the chicken is super crunchy, very delicious, very moist on the inside. The spaghetti is my favorite. I really enjoyed the spaghetti. It was so nice, very wholesome. Tastes like, you know, that food you haven't eaten in like ages. Yeah, that kind of food. It tasted so homely, like a home cooked bolognese or something. So this one is highly recommended. Okay, very highly recommended. Make sure you do not miss, don't even miss going down to Jollibee and eating their delicious meals. So from me today, guys, it's all love. Don't forget to subscribe, my lovies. You know what you're supposed to do. It's a drill, honey. So make sure that you subscribe, share with your family and friends, and let them know to subscribe as well. And be notified, guys. Always be notified every time I upload a video. You just have to click on the notification bell. Comment, like, tell me if you've had Jollibee experience, if you've visited a Jollibee restaurant, and how was it for you. If you haven't, I'm a plug. This is a serious plug. You have to try it, okay? From me today, it's all love. Toodles. Mwah.